Welcome back to Reels to Meal. Today we are making pita bread. In a half cup of warm water, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of sugar, and to that I'm adding half a teaspoon of instant dry yeast. We'll activate the yeast, so we'll let it sit for 2 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll take our dry ingredients, which is 200 grams of all-purpose flour. I'm adding half a teaspoon of salt and mixing it together. Let's check our yeast mixture is ready or not. As you can see, there is a froth formed on top. That means our yeast is nice and active. We'll add the yeast mixture to the dry ingredients and we need a dough. While kneading the dough, if you feel you require more water, you can add warm water little by little. Do not add too much. At first you will feel the dough is dry, but as you knead, the dough will become sticky. So add little by little. Carefully knead the dough nicely. It will take around a couple of minutes. After kneading the dough, I am adding some olive oil. Apply the olive oil around the ball and to the vessel, and we'll let it sit for 1 hour. After 1 hour, you can see the dough has doubled in size. Now we'll form balls of different sizes as you like. Tuck the ends below and seal it, forming a ball. Make it a nice and tight balls. You can shape them according to the size you want. Prepare all the balls, as you can see, and set them aside. All the balls are ready. We will give it a rest for 10 minutes and we'll cover it with a cloth. After 10 minutes, we'll roll the balls into pita breads. Make sure while rolling, you are evenly rolling the balls, because if you don't evenly roll the dough, the pita bread won't puff up. So make sure that you are rolling in an even thickness. Roll all your pita bread and keep it on a cloth which is dusted with some flour and let it rest for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, our pita bread is nicely puffed up. On a hot pan, we'll place a pita bread on low heat. Do not rush this process as the dough needs to cook evenly. Flip on the other side and let it cook on the other side on low heat. As you can see, our pita bread is nicely puffing up because it is rolled evenly. Cook the pita bread for a couple of minutes on both the sides. After puffing up, then our pita bread is ready to serve. You can serve it with some hummus or some meze dip, or you can make a pita and falafel wrap. Please do like, subscribe and comment, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.